My name's Tony Woods. I run a company in Afghanistan called Sustainable Energy Services Afghanistan, or CESA for short. With up to 90% of Afghanistan's villages in a state of non-electrification, the potential for improving the economic well-being and the standard of living for Afghan villages is very, very significant. So really what our company focuses on is trying to assist remote rural communities to improve their economic situation, their livelihoods, their standard of living through using renewable energy resources such as wind or solar or small hydro, possibly geothermal in Afghanistan, to turn electricity into added value to their crops or their produce that they already make. So what we're seeing now is the first wind farm system built in Afghanistan here in the Panjshir Valley. The access road to the turbines, you can see, is very, very difficult to pass in the winter. Once we'd got the turbines up there, they all needed to be disassembled and put back together by hand. That mission accomplished, we feed the power through this trench. It runs underground to the powerhouse. These process the power from the wind turbines that can be delivered down the transmission line, down the hill, and then way down in the bottom of the valley there you can see the government complex that it powers. It seemed that there were too many consultants up here consulting on why people should be providing power for remote villages, but not enough consultants or not enough engineers actually doing the work on the ground. From my side, this has required a significant amount of personal investment and sacrifice, really. When you're running a small business, you really only have two things you can throw at it to get it to move. When the money runs out, you only have time. So for me, it's taken anywhere from 7 to 9 months a year, working either in Afghanistan or working with project supporters in Washington DC or Dubai to try to move these projects further forward. With my family back in New Zealand, the sacrifice in terms of time away from family has been significant, and that definitely has a personal cost. But if we can get the company to move forward, if we can achieve the goals that the company wants to achieve in terms of delivering renewable power to rural communities sustainably, then I think that's been worth it.